In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check out as a guest on Temu. To get started, open the Temu app on your mobile device or go to the Temu website in your web browser. Once you're on the platform, begin browsing for the products you want to buy. As you find items you like, tap or click Add to Cart. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting the correct size, color, quantity, or variation before moving on, since that can help avoid confusion later during checkout. After you've added everything you want, open your shopping cart. This is where you'll review the items you've chosen. Look through your cart carefully to confirm that the products, quantities, and options are all correct. This quick review can save time and prevent mistakes before you begin the payment process. When everything in your cart looks good, tap or click Checkout. This will take you to the next stage, where Temu will guide you through completing your purchase. At this point, look for a guest checkout option. Depending on your region or device, this may appear as Continue as Guest, Guest Checkout, or something similar. If that option is available, select it so you can move forward without creating an account. Next, enter your shipping information. You'll need to provide the required delivery details, such as your name, shipping address, phone number, and any other requested information. Be careful when entering this section, because accurate shipping details are important for making sure your package arrives at the right location without delays. Once your shipping information is entered, choose your payment method. Select the option you prefer, then enter the required payment details. Make sure everything is typed correctly, especially if you're using a card or another method that requires billing information, since even a small typo can interrupt the checkout process. After that, review your order one more time. Double-check your shipping details, payment method, and order summary. This is your final chance to catch any mistakes before the purchase is submitted. If something doesn't look right, go back and fix it before continuing. When you're satisfied that everything is correct, tap or click Place Order or Complete Purchase to finish checking out.